Hello friends, in this video we will look at alert and confirm in JavaScript. Alert and confirm both are useful to display some message to the browsing user. In JavaScript, alert is used to display a message box. The confirm also display a message but with OK and cancel buttons in it. When user clicks OK, the confirm will return true. Both are actually a function call. The confirm function call will return true when user clicks OK button. Based on the return value from the confirm call, JavaScript can take necessary action. Let us look at an example. Here is the skeleton script. And if you see here, first we are making call to confirm, and in the confirm we are asking a question, do you want to submit? So it's just an example. Let us say the user want to submit some document to a web server. So the client side script here just asks a confirmation so that he or she can change the decision. So this will present this question, do you want to submit, with a OK and cancel. So by clicking OK, they are confirming that they want to submit, they are sure to submit it. But if they click cancel, okay, so they change their decision. So here if you see, we are checking the return value. So when user clicks OK to the confirm, the question is, do you want to submit? When they click OK to that, the return value is stored in the RET variable, and here we are checking whether it is true. So if it is true, user clicked OK to that confirm message, which we displayed previously in the snippet one. So now here if you see, the second example comes into picture. Here we are using the alert. So the alert won't present this message with a double button. There will be only one button. So it's just alerting the user with something. So for the previous question, do you want to submit? If they clicked OK, that will return true. And when it is returned true, we are displaying alert message that states document submitted to server. Otherwise, we say document cancelled. Why? Because in the previous confirm message, user clicked cancel. Now we will execute this in IE and see how it works. So before that, we will look at a IE setting. So Chrome displays these alert messages, but IE by default won't display, or it will prompt each time in the bottom of the screen that a script is want to show a pop-up. So do you want to continue? Such a alert message will come from IE. So to turn that off, under the security, you have to place a check mark on allow active content to run in files on my computer. So once you check that, you can freely display that alert message. Now we will look at this in IE. So here is the script example. First we are asking the user, do you want to submit? And if they click OK, we say that, so the return value will be stored here. If they click OK, it will be true, otherwise it will not be true. So we are checking the return value is true. That means user clicked OK in the previous confirm box. So if that is the case, we say document submitted to server, otherwise we say document cancelled. Now we will execute this in IE. And if you see, when I am executing it, it doesn't display the confirm box, but instead it says that Internet Explorer restricted this web page from running a script or ActiveX controls. So then it shows a button, allow blocked content. So if I click close here, nothing will get displayed, but if I say allow blocked content, it will display the pop-up message, but for each pop-up it will show that confirmation on every browser session. So here I'm going to Internet Options, I'm clicking Advanced tab, then I'm going to Security. Here I'm saying allow active content to run in files on my computer. So I'm just clicking that. Let me close this browser session and reopen it. So this time if you see, it doesn't display any warning in the bottom, and this message is from our confirm, and which comes with a question mark icon here. This is a confirm message from JavaScript. So this is the question we are asking, do you want to submit? And this is presented with two buttons, OK and cancel. So if user clicks cancel, we display the second message using the alert. Let me execute it once again. So if I click OK, it says that document submitted to server. If I click cancel, it states that document cancelled. I don't know what happened to the previous session, why it doesn't display that message, or maybe I accidentally clicked it twice there. Let us test this in Chrome also. So Chrome displays the message differently, and so it's up to the browser how they implement these standards. So this is the confirm message in Chrome, and it asks, do you want to submit? And if I click OK, it states that document submitted to server, but this time it presents only the OK button. Let me execute once again. If you see, the confirm button asks a question, then it presents two buttons, OK and cancel. But the alert displays only one button. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.